This is what to do if you download a third-party app and you get an untrusted developer when you try to open it. That'll happen when what you do when that happens is go to Settings, General, down to Profiles and Device Management. And find the enterprise app that the developer, and go up here where it's blue, just hit trust. And now it's verified, and as long as you have an anti-revoke, it'll be on your phone until that developer certificate gets revoked. Unfortunately, there's nothing that can be done about the developer certificate, because when the apps that you download from stores, even if they get the configuration profile, if they get the enterprise apps, the developers get deleted. Apple revokes their certificate and gives it to another developer and gives them permission to, because all of these apps are approved by Apple to be on their phones. And if you get an untrusted developer, that's what you do, and then you can open it. Strength stronger. Yeah, there it is. And that is what you do if you end up downloading a third-party app and you get a untrusted developer. Is just going